Hey Larson, how's it going? This is Eddie from Boundless SEO. I was told you would be the correct person to watch this. I really hope you're watching. And thank the company SPSD for giving us the green light to send this custom video to you. I'm here to audit your site. I'll compare your site to one of your competitors around your area. This video will explain what you have going behind the scenes of your website and how you can bring in more traffic all on your own. The reason we contacted your company was because we've noticed that in Arlington, Texas, there is a high search volume for the services that you offer, in this case, landscaping. In this video, I'm going to mainly be going over three things you can do today to help bring in more work. The 3 points or categories are content, backlinks, and citations. Looks like this is your website here. This is a great website. This is your home page. It's not a big page. There's not a lot of content on there. However, the navigation is fairly simple. The links work just fine. A beautiful layout, of course. You do have great images. Overall, a good website. However, Larson, not enough content. Typically, you want to see at least 1,500 words of text content on your homepage alone. Not only will this improve the relevance of the services that you offer, but also improves a level of trust inside of Google. Google loves content. There's no way around it. The more content you have, the more you appear as an expert. Again, inside of Google. In your 1,500 words of content, you want to start inserting good quality keywords. And what I mean by keywords are pretty much words or phrases that end users enter into search engines to discover available services, in this case, your services, landscaping. Just remember, the more content, the better. If your competitor has 1,000 words, then you want 1,500 words. If your competitor has 1,500 words, bump up to 2,000. This way, Google is willing to place you higher in the search results. Believe it or not, Google spiders will actually go onto your website and inspect all that HTML coding inside the paragraph elements. So all that coding is good for those Google spiders. Now, backlinks and citations. For this, let's jump into arrows here. This is a paid tool, of course. If you don't mind paying for it, this is a great tool to have to monitor what you have going behind the scenes of your website. The UR and the DR meter here. This is the power of the URL and domain. A way to increase these two ratings is through backlinks and citations. This is a power that you have behind the scenes of your website. So a backlink is a shout out or a clickable link from another website. It's basically a website linking to your website. I'm sure you've seen it where you'll see text and there's a clickable word or a keyword, or maybe even a paragraph. You click on it and it'll refer you to a different website. So that's pretty much what a backlink is. A citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. And of course, a directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. I'm sure you're familiar. Ideally, you would like to keep both the UR and the DR meter in a 1:1 ratio, which you already have. This is actually good practice here. It does give you a better boost when compared to another website. So kudos on that. Just keep this in mind. 1:1 ratio is good practice. Unfortunately, you have no keywords on your website. The traffic in a monthly basis, none. Referring domains, 13. Backlinks, 30. These are unique links pointing onto your website. You currently have 13. Overall backlinks is 30. At one point, though, I noticed that you've gotten a lot of organic traffic. Back in 2019, March of 2019, you were at a big, standing. 875 people were jumping onto your website a month during this time. However, ever since then, I believe there was a Google update there, so you kind of decreased down to not zero, but down to 19, 17, 15, and then zero. So you're kind of not able to jump back up. However, this is where we're at. So you're not getting any traffic currently. When comparing to one of your competitors around your area, looks like these guys are getting all the attention. The grounds guys. uh, you'll notice that they do have a lot of content. This is a couple paragraphs here, another here. This is a keyword, and I'll show you just a second how much that one keyword is getting volume per month. Again, more text, more content. So this is a good way to have or structure your website, and I'll tell you why. Looking at their background, they currently have 40 keywords. I believe you had 0. Yeah, 0, no traffic. So they have 40. In a monthly basis, they're getting 167 people jumping onto their website with only 8 referring domains and 19 backlinks. That's because they do have relevant backlinks. It's associated with the industry, with the services that they offer, and it's powerful, meaning the DR meter on those backlinks are high. That's pretty much what you want to look for. The UR meter 0.7 and the DR 58. So they are getting powerful backlinks here. They are decreasing in the inside the Arabs rankings. However, they are doing great. At one point, also they were doing spectacular, if you want to label it that way. 1,732 people were jumping onto their website at one point. That was back in February 2022. So keywords 40, 167 backlinks. You currently have no keywords and no traffic going for your website. So this is where you want to be, right? Jumping onto their keywords list. Looks like for just this one keyword, this is a great keyword if you want to add onto your website, Arlington Landscaping. Also, landscaping Arlington, Texas. 200 people are punching in this keyword in Google in a monthly basis, around 200 people. For this keyword, 100. For this keyword here, 80. So let's stick with these two keywords, overall 300. Imagine these 300 people were finding you instead. That's pretty much the whole point of SEO, Larson, search engine optimization, is to pretty much optimize your website to give it more relevance, give them power, with all on-page SEO and all that fun stuff. This is what I have for you now, Larson. If you like this video, let me know. I would love to know your thoughts, or if you're not interested, let me know that too. This way you won't receive any follow-up emails from me. Feel free to email me any thoughts or questions. We can even take a phone call to further discuss. Thank you for your time. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye.